What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set the Bass Party 65 into standby mode. So to do that, all we're going to do is short press the power button on top here.
Power off.
You'll hear that sound saying it's powering off, but you'll know it's in standby mode because the LED screen is going to read standby. You can also tell it's in standby mode because the power button on top will light red. So this means we're not turning off the speaker, we're just setting it into a temporary rest mode to save some battery. But when we want to get the speaker going again, all we have to do is short press the power button again, and when you hear the speaker say power on, you'll know that it's powered on again. Now if you wanted to turn the speaker off altogether, we're just going to hold down the power button on top. You'll hear the speaker say power off, and you can tell that it's off also because the power button on top is not lit at all. And then to turn it back on, we're just gonna hold the power button down.
Power on.
And then just like that, the speaker is powered back on and ready to go. Also, when in standby mode, you can use the remote to wake the device and use all the functionality without having to go up to the physical unit and turn it on. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set the speaker into standby mode. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.